Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically restore black and white photos to like a colored one. So go to CapCut.com, and when you're in this page you do have to log in. You're going to select the magic tools, which is down here when you're in the start. You're then going to scroll down until you find the photo colorizer option. You're then just going to select it. I'm just going to close this, and you can either try the following images or you can upload it or drag and drop a file. I'm just going to drag and drop a file here, so I'm just going to select this one and I'm just going to paste it. Oh, okay, the resolution is higher, so actually I'll just use the photo that they have here so I can show you. Wait for it to generate. It does take a few seconds. Let it load, and this is the after, and here you can see the original. This is the before and this is the after. You can obviously use your own photos, but I think my file was a little bit too big. And yeah, that is it. When you're done, you're just going to select export. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.